Hello, welcome to Easy English. Today I want to discuss the most important word in the English language. Hello. Our greetings have developed over time, and there are a vast array of ways to greet and respond to people in casual and formal interactions. We'll show you a few scenarios with 20 alternative ways to say hello. Initially, the greeting good day was most commonly used, and if you look at most languages, they still retain good day as a formal greeting. But nowadays, good day is rarely used in English. The word hello became the cultural norm for all formal and casual meetings after being the advised greeting for the invention of the telephone. What are the other ways to greet someone, and what are the responses? Good morning. Hi. Hey. Hiya. How are you? How's it going? How you doing? How do you do? Nice to see you. Long time no see.